pages 126 and 127. Water on Earth, land and water. What does the Earth look like from space? Imagine boarding a spaceship and traveling far from Earth. On your trip, you could observe the planet from a great distance as you've never seen it before. This picture shows how Earth looks from space. When you see Earth from space, you will notice that it is almost completely blue. What covers almost the entire planet? You know the answer: water. From space, Earth seems to be covered only in water. Our planet, also called the blue planet, is mostly covered in water, which is a fundamental resource for living things. Why do you think scientists have tried to research whether there is water on other planets? The answer is simple. They are looking for other places in the universe that can support life, and water is essential for life. Think, for example, of an animal that cannot find any water for many days. What will happen? The animal will probably have serious health problems as water is vital for all living things on Earth. This is a high resolution image of Earth taken from the satellite Suomi on January 4th, 2012. Did you know? All the water on our planet has not always been there. Scientists think that when Earth was still forming millions of years ago, a large amount of water vapor condensed to form torrential rainfall on Earth. Challenge: make a physical representation of the Earth using a ball, cotton balls for clouds, and any other materials you choose. Mark important geographic locations on your Earth. Okay, so we're going to talk about the hydrosphere. Water is everywhere, and sometimes we do not even notice. It forms an important part of our bodies and the bodies of animals and plants, and it is in our food and the air we breathe. However, we usually recognize it coming out of the top or in oceans, lakes, or rivers. How much water is there on Earth? Three-fourths of Earth's surface is covered in water. Three-fourths. Water on our planet is distributed in clouds, seas, oceans, streams, lakes, rivers, underground rivers, polar caps, and glaciers. These bodies of water make up the hydrosphere. In the hydrosphere, water can exist in a solid state, like icebergs or glaciers, a liquid state, like the ocean, or as a gas, like water vapor in the air we breathe. If we represent Earth's surface as a circle divided into four equal parts, the three shaded parts symbolize the part of Earth that is covered in water. And an iceberg is a very large piece of ice floating in water, generally the ocean. Water is present in its three states in nature. Although there is plenty of water on Earth, human beings can only use a limited amount of it. This is why we should respect the environment and keep our water clean.